Welcome to Empowering Change series. We are looking at the role of leadership, the role of personal leadership at retirement age. This is a significant stage of life, and one needs to take control of one's life and appreciate the career ages, the career phase, and it's very critical. And there's need to rediscover oneself, there's need to reinvent oneself, there's need to pursue new opportunities as they come, and observe the following that is key to one's life. Number one, shift of mindset. To appreciate that this is the end of my career path and I'm going into new. And quite often people retire at 55, 60, 65 and move into this new beginning that is coming through. And that's a reality, and it's coming to all of us at some point or the other. So that shift of mindset is very critical. And unfortunately, at this stage, it can be very critical, very demanding to think, I'm now going to be home, isolated, no more calls, no more occupations, no formal approach to life if not careful. So as a result, this is the most critical stage when you need a coach, when you need a life coach, somebody who can guide you, somebody who can walk with you to navigate successfully to the end. Number two, there's need to clarify one's vision and purpose. One begins to ask, what is your purpose? What is your vision in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years? For me, it has been a very interesting phase of my life to just look at, to say, okay, I need provisions, because there's an immediate shift in terms of your income. So in other words, you need provisions. You need to make sure that provisions and opportunities to pursue and make sure you maintain the lifestyle. Provisions means, what are your resources to empower you? What projects do you start that can sustain you beyond what? Beyond the 55, beyond the 60, beyond the 65. And that's very critical to observe. And that vision, that purpose in terms of provision and opportunities is very key. And then you also wanted to look at, there is the need for those provisions and the impact, because you are now counting down your years. You are now counting down to appreciate my days are numbered, and you need to have that impact. Impact either for money purposes, but impact to say, what is it that I can touch somebody's life and make a difference to his life? So that clarity becomes very critical. You need to refine on the vision, you need to refine on the purpose. And of course, the third part of it is to say, how can I finish it well? I want to finish, and I want to do my work to the end, finish into eternity. And the other point is just promote a long learning and a growth approach and attitude. Long learning, long learning. What does it mean to have long learning? The reading has to continue. The watching those thought-provoking and the learning opportunities has to continue. I read one book every month, and that has been very more and more exciting. And I'm looking forward to continuously improve books on political lines, books on finance, spiritual growth, on all aspects of life, including the healthy side. That has been more and more exciting. Increasing and making sure that my networks strategically continue to grow by the day. And not only that, it becomes key to have that self-leadership internally. New goals to be refined. Okay, to look at one's goals and say, okay, what am I doing now? What am I now, my new goals that I need to refine on? My daily routines. I used to work from 8 to 12 or 8 to 1 or into the evening up to 5, but I have all the hours to my day. What does it mean? You need to re-strategize and refine on self-leadership so that you can actively keep your mind running and busy by the day. And with that, it becomes very critical to observe, to analyze, to get somebody, to get the coaching services. Unfortunately for Zimbabwe for now, it's a fairly new concept, which I want to believe we can continue to encourage our people, those who are in the ages of 40 or even earlier, to start sourcing and sorting the right life coach who can run with you to be able to run during this phase. We are running as today up to 4. We will complete this series in terms of leadership on what leadership at retirement age on our next phase. And for now, revisit and visit our website, within our social media platforms, sign in, like and subscribe. We look forward to meet you there on our YouTube channels. Thank you.